So we're still right here in Orchid, Lekki, Lagos, touring this estate and looking out for only the best of properties for you. And we have this 4-bedroom, fully detached duplex with a BQ and also a swimming pool, spacious rooms. The living area is spacious down to even the guest room. And it is in the market for 370 million naira. And this price is slightly negotiable. Now, the estate is very secured, very habitable, good drainage system. It is a place that you live comfortably. Now, in a couple of seconds, I'll flip this camera to tour this property. We'll move around the building so you see what the surrounding looks like, and then we'll go inside and have a detailed tour of the interior of this house. But before we get into that, now if this is your first time coming across my channel, welcome. It is such a delight to have you here. My name is Victoria Chizobaduraku, and I'll be your guide through today's tour. And also, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do not leave without subscribing. I have a beautiful family here on YouTube that we're growing together, and I would really love to welcome you into that family. And just in case this is either above your budget or below your budget, or you want a land or a different property either in this same estate or a different estate, even commercial properties, just reach out to us on the number displayed on your screen and we'll definitely send you something credible. Now let's flip this camera and tour this property together while I give you further information about it.
So, welcome back, beautiful people. Now, this is the unit we would be inspecting, and here's a better view of what the structure looks like. So, next, we'll be taking a look at the size of the compound. Now, this compound is spacious enough to fit 3 cars conveniently. I don't think my camera is even doing justice to how spacious it is, but it can take 3 cars conveniently. So what we'll be doing right now is we'll move around the compound, and the essence is for you to have a detailed view of this house, so you get to see what the walkway to the back of the house looks like, and literally everything about it. All right, so right here is where we have the BQ, and then let's see the size of the BQ. This is the size of it right here. This is the full size of the BQ. And then over here is where we have the toilet and bath. Now the WC will be fixed, the shower will be fixed. It's a new project. They just finished building it, so they still need to do one or two finishing touches to it, but those things will be fixed. It will not be coming empty as what you just saw. All right, so let's keep going. And then to this angle is where we have the swimming pool. Now, just as you can see, the swimming pool also has a water fountain by the side of it. And then this is what the size of the swimming pool looks like. Let's say from this angle, let's have a better view. So this is the size of it right here. And then we also have a CCTV camera right at the back of the house. That's it over there. Okay, so let's keep going. Let's move to the other side. 370 million naira, and this 4-bedroom is all yours. Now, the walkway from this angle is more spacious than the one at the other side. This gives you access to the kitchen. So we've successfully moved around the compound right now, and it's time to go inside to see the um interior. Before we go in, let's look at the road. The road will not be left this way. No, we already have materials for interlocking. Let me show you. You can see there are materials there for interlocking the road. This is the new project, so they still have some finishing touches to do, and there are still trucks coming in, so they don't want to fix the road and the trucks will mess it up. But even if you look down, you see that the other side of the road is already accessible, so they'll be interlocking the road. It will not be left this way. All right, so we also have a CCTV camera outside here. Now let's go in. The door has a smart lock, so if you don't want to use the manual lock, you can just put a code on it and use the smart lock. All right, so we're inside now. And let's see the full size of the living area first before we begin to explore. This is the full size of the living area right here. I'll show you the size from different angles. Now you can see we have
the telecom device right here, and this is for your inbuilt speaker. And then there's also a TV console right here in this angle. We also have inbuilt speakers right here. We have a CCTV up there as well. And to this angle is where we have the guest toilet right here. And then right underneath the staircase, we have this artificial plants right here. And this is your wine section, just underneath the staircase as well. And I want you to take a look at this design right on the wall. All right, so let's also see the size of it from this angle right here. This is the size of the living area from this angle. And then this is designated for your dining section. So next is the guest room. And then this is the full size of the guest room. This is the full size of it. 370 million naira, slightly negotiable. Now, this each unit of this four-bedroom is sitting on over 290 square meters size of land, almost 300 square meters. So it is spacious enough. And for people who usually say, when I tell them to buy, say 280 square meter size of land, they say, Victoria, what do I want to build on that small land size? This house I'm showing you now is sitting on almost 300 square meter size of land. So you can build a fully detached like this one. This is the size of the kitchen. Let me stand here so you also see it from here. This is the size of it. All right, so let's begin to explore what we have here. We have this washing machine right here. And then we have this kitchen. Okay, first we have this kitchen couch right here, this kitchen sitter. And we have this chandelier up here. We have a heater right here. And just by the kitchen island is where we have this gas burner and an extractor right above it. We also have a microwave, an oven, and a refrigerator right here. There's a double door refrigerator right here, and quite a number of cabinetries too for storage. So you have absolutely no issue with storage in this kitchen. There's also an inbuilt speaker up there, and as well a CCTV camera in the kitchen. So we've seen everything we have downstairs here. Let's go upstairs and explore that as well. Okay, so the staircase has a motion sensor light, just as you can see. All right, I love this design on the wall. I love the fact that developers lately, they are not just doing the basics. They are now, adding one or two extra touches to give the house a better aesthetics. So this is the family lounge right here, and it is spacious enough. TV console, big TV console, inbuilt speaker here as well, and also CCTV camera. All right, so let's begin to explore. We've seen one room downstairs. This is a box room. You can either put your inverter here or whatever you deem fit. This is room 2. Now, for those who do not know where Orchid is, if you're coming from Lekki axis, Orchid is right after Chevron before you get to Ikota. So for people who do not want to get to Aja, you don't want to get to Ikota, you don't want to get to VGC or even Shangutedo, Orchid is a very good place to settle in. The neighborhood is habitable, the estate is well secured, good drainage system. It is definitely a conducive neighborhood. And remember, I said just in case this is above your budget or below your budget, we have other properties. Take a look at how spacious this particular room is. So we also have other properties. If this is either above your budget or below your budget, and we have land as well selling. We have properties you can pay instrumentally for up to 1 year. We have commercial properties as well. Now see the walk-in shower. See how spacious it is. Okay. And did you also notice that the wardrobe is big? It's not those very small ones that we have in the regular rooms. This one is big. Okay, so that's the third room we are inspecting, and then this is the final room, which is the master's bedroom, 4 bedroom duplex, fully detached duplex with a BQ and a swimming pool for 370 million naira. Slightly negotiable. This is the full size of the master's bedroom from this angle, and then this is what it looks like from here. Right here is the wardrobe area that extends to this part as well. And we also have a TV console right here, inbuilt speaker up there, and then we have the balcony right here. Okay, so let's see the toilet and bath, and then we end this video. So if you've watched this video till this point, this is me saying a big thank you. Trust me, I'm smiling right now. And that's all thanks to you. Please do not leave without subscribing to my channel. I told you I have such a beautiful family here on YouTube, and we're growing together. And I would really be honored to have you as part of that family. So as you're watching me right now, please just go ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that every time I post a video here, you get to be notified. You don't want to miss out on the credible properties that we have right here. Give us a call today to schedule an inspection. If you're in diaspora, you can always send a trusted representative. And if you're in Lagos, I would be glad to bring you down to this property. Thank you for watching this video. Till I come your way next time. My name is Victoria. It has been such a pleasure gracing your screen. Have a great day. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay amazing. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.